Today, we're looking at how to use photography to promote your venue on social media. Now, this is a wedding venue, and what they want to do, obviously, is to promote their wedding venue to couples who are looking to get married. And actually, for them, it's not all about the actual site itself, it's about the locations around it that people can go to get some stunning photography done. And as you can see, what they do really, really well is they take the couples photography who've been there before from locations around the site, and then they create a really beautiful post from it. So here you can see sunset. The first stab of love is like a sunset, a blaze of color, oranges, pearly pinks, and vibrant purples. So that again is really romantic. It is a quote. And then they've just said beautiful locations like this are just a short drive away from our Gower venue. DM to book your exclusive private tour. And then they've tagged in the photographer, which is brilliant. And then they've done some really lovely hashtags so that you know exactly where they're at. And that got a lot more engagement than a lot of their other posts. And then again, they've done exactly the same here, which is again, they've tagged in the photographer. They've done a really lovely quote again here. So you can see it works for them really, really well. It's all about, I guess, it's inspiration. It is inspiring people to book because of what's around them and because of the stunning photos that they can get. And actually, the photos are one of the biggest things when you're getting married. So it's a natural selling point.